Tradition is finally back after 4 years. The City of Callaway held their annual fishing rodeo for kids today. Hundreds of kids gathered at the recreational complex to fish, do crafts, and win prizes. The rodeo hasn't been held since 2018 because of Hurricane Michael and COVID-19, but it's been a tradition since 2003. The pond at the complex was stocked with catfish, bass, and panfish, and nobody went hungry because event organizers provided free food from Mission Barbecue. Kids that participated even had the chance to win awards.
I won a fish award because over there you have to see what cast the longest, and I casted the longest, and then they called it out and got me a trophy.
The first 170 kids who registered for the rodeo received a free rod and reel. When they needed a break from fishing, kids could also do crafts at the event. Callaway officials say they were excited to host the event once again and will continue to bring the event back every year.